What if every time someone entered their email on your landing page, they automatically received an email without you doing anything? No copying emails, no manual sending. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to collect emails from a landing page and automatically send emails in Systeme.io, even if you're a complete beginner. I've included links in the pinned comment and description, which will allow you to follow along for completely free. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you have to decide on is what is going to be your lead magnet. And the lead magnet is basically something of value that you're going to offer in exchange for the person to give you their email address. For this example, I'll be offering an ebook. And I created this ebook using Canva. With Canva, you'll be able to create different forms of lead magnets for completely free. So for example, I went on to Canva, typed in ebook, and I selected this template. From here, you can customize it to your liking, then you'll download it. After you have done that, you'll go into Systeme.io once more, and now it is time to create your funnel. To create your funnel, you're going to hover over sites and you're going to select sales funnel. Then you'll tap on create in the top right hand corner and you're just going to give your funnel a name. For example's sake, I'll just call it lead funnel. Then I'm going to be selecting bill and audience. Then from here, you can choose the currency. So for example, I'll select USD. Then we'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll tap on the funnel name. Once you have selected the funnel name, it is now time to choose an opt-in page. So this is basically the landing page. From here, you can scroll down and you can see numerous different templates that you can choose from. You can select whichever one of these templates. So for example, I could go onto this page and you can scroll down and you can see different templates right here. So for example's sake, let's say I would like to use, I'm just going to be using one of these. So let's say I were to use this template. I'll tap on select. From here, you can edit the URL. So for example, I could call it lead. Then I'll select edit page. After selecting edit page, you'll be able to customize it to your liking. So you can customize the text, you can remove the image and so on. So I'm going to be adding the image of the PDF or better yet the ebook right here. So I'm going to be changing this. So I'll be uploading mine. So I'll select images and I'll just be selecting the ebook cover. And you can see how it looks right there. Then we could edit the text over here also. And you can see where they'll be able to add their email address. If it is a case that you would like to add more information or collect more information, you can also do that. By going over to the left hand menu option, you can see different elements that you can add in. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then you'll select exit. Now that you have created this page, the next thing you'll need to do is create a thank you page. So we're going to select thank you page. After selecting thank you page, you can scroll down. Again, you can see different templates that you can choose from. So let's say for example, we were to select this template. After selecting the template, we're going to select edit page. And I'm just going to be changing the image once more. So I'll go over here and I'm going to change the image. So I'll be adding this image right here. And I'll be changing the button text. So I'll select the button, go over to the left hand menu option. And I'll just be typing in download. After doing that, we're going to be adding the product. So we'll select download file. Then we'll add the file. So you'll select your file. And from here, you'll be able to add the file or you'll be able to upload a lead magnet that you'll be offering. So I'll select insert. Then we'll tap on save. After you have done that, you're going to select exit. And we're going to be going back to the first option, which is opt-in page, select edit page. And what I want you to do is scroll down. And from here, you're going to edit this page, this button better yet. So you'll select the button. After you have selected the button, you can see submit form. And we're going to be redirecting them to the next step. So you can see right there, I want them to go to the next URL. And I'm going to select save. Now that we have created the funnel, all we'll need to do now, before creating an automation, I want you to create an email campaign. The email campaign is basically a sequence of emails that persons will receive once they have signed up using your lead funnel. So to create an email campaign, you're going to hover over emails from the top navigation bar. Then you're going to select campaigns. Then you'll tap on create in the top right hand corner. You can give this a name. So for example, I'll call it ebook. Then you can choose the sender email address, and you can add an email address. I would recommend that you get a professional or a business email address, and you'll be able to quickly add it. I've done a tutorial showing you how to do that. Then you'll select save. After you have done that, you're going to select the campaign name. Then you'll be able to create your first email. So let's say our first email will be called welcome email. You'll select visual editor, then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll be able to edit this, so you could edit the different information depending on what you would like to market or so on. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you'll tap on exit. So we have created our first, and we're just going to tap, you can either choose to save and test it or save and publish. We'll select save and publish. Then we'll tap on activate. So that is our first email once someone has signed up. We are going to be creating our second email, so we'll tap on create. And let's say we were to call this second. Then we'll scroll down, you'll tap on save. And again, you'll be able to edit this email, and this will be the second email they'll be receiving. You'll tap on save changes in the top right hand corner. After you have selected save changes, you're going to tap on exit. Then from there, you're going to see the option save and publish. You're going to tap on save and publish. And let's say, for example, we want to choose this when someone selects welcome email. So this email will be sent right after the welcome email, and it will be sent 1 day after the welcome email. Then you'll tap on activate. After doing that, you will select exit. And if it is a case that you like to send a third email, you can do that, and you can send that the second day or so on by tapping on create. Now that we have created the chain of emails that we would like to send, it is now the time to set up an automation. To do this, you could either select automation right here, or you could select sites and go back to the sales funnel by tapping on the funnel name. Then you could select automation rules, then tap on add rule. After you have done that, you can select trigger, funnel step. After selecting opt-in page, we're just going to tap on automation rules. Then from there, you'll tap on add rule. So you'll select trigger. Then you'll select funnel step. Once they have signed in, then you'll select action, and they'll be subscribed to a campaign. Then you can choose the campaign. So we'll be selecting the campaign that we have created. And if you'd like to add another action, you can also do that. You could tap on action. And if it's a case that you like to add tag, so this is a way how you can arrange the different campaigns that you're running. So you could tap on add tag. Then we'll just tap on save rule. And that's it. Once you're finished doing this, all you need to do now, you can select opt-in, and from there you can select view funnel step, and you can see how it looks, and you can copy the URL and you can start sharing it. You can also test it out by simply pasting your email right there. Then you can tap on contact us. After you have done that, you can see that you'll be redirected to the thank you page. From here, you'll be able to select download, and you can see right there I've downloaded it.